Morning everyone. In our previous lecture, we have done practice set 2.2 main question number 4th. Today we will going to solve main question number 5th and 6th. So students, let us start with main question number 5th. In figure 2.22, this is figure 2.22, ray AE parallel to ray BD. AE is parallel to ray BD. Ray AF is the bisector of angle EAB. Ray AF is the bisector, that means AF divides EAB into two equal parts, X and X. AF is the bisector of EAB. It divides EAB into two equal parts. Ray BC is the bisector of ABD. Ray BC, this is ray BC. It divides angle ABD into two equal parts, Y and Y. Prove that line AF parallel to line BC. We want to prove that AF is parallel to line BC. Student, if we will extend EA and BD, EA and BD like this. So EA and BD is parallel to each other and AB is the transversal. Here EAB and ABD, this angle and this angle अगर हम प्रूव करते हैं कि ये इक्वल है बाय द ऑल्टरनेट एंगल टेस्ट, तो EA और BD both are parallel to each other. Similarly, if we will extend AF and CB, suppose we will extend AF and CB, so we will use the alternate angle test and we can prove line AF is parallel to line BC. If we will extend AF and CB like this, so if we will prove this angle and this angle are equal to each other, then the two, we have two lines and one transversal. If we will prove this angle and this angle are equal to each other, so we can say AF and CB is parallel to each other by the alternate angle test. So if we will prove X and Y is equal to each other, अगर हम prove करते हैं X और Y एक दूसरे के equal है, so we will use the alternate angle test and we can prove AF is parallel to BC. So student, let us start with a solution. Ray AF is the bisector of EAB and ray AF divides EAB into two equal parts, X and X. Ray AF is bisector of angle EAB. In angle EAB, two angles are there, EAF and FAB, and the value of both angle is X and X, which is given in the figure. So we will write angle EAF is equals to angle FAB, and the value of these two angle is given X and X, so we will write equals to X, which is 1. We can say this is 1. Similarly, we will come to the next bisector, CB. Ray CB is bisector of angle ABD. That means CB divides ABD into two equal parts, Y and Y. So we will write ray BC is bisector of angle ABD, which is given in the figure. So in angle ABD, two angles are there, ABC and CBD, and the value of both the angle is Y and Y. So we will write angle ABC is equals to angle CBD or DBC, whatever you can write, equals to Y, put as a 2. First one as a 1 and second one as a 2. AF is bisector and divides EAB into two equal part, and CB is the bisector and divides ABD into two equal part, and the two equal parts is given XX and YY, which is given in the figure. So students, first we can get EAF equals to FAB equals to X, and second we can get ABC equals to DBC equals to Y. This is second. So therefore, see the figure, if we can prove this angle CBD or AFB is equal, then we can easily prove line AF is parallel to BC. So ray AE is parallel to ray BD and AB is a transversal. We can take AB is a transversal and ray AE is parallel to ray BD. So AE is parallel to BD and AB is a transversal. So therefore EAB is equals to ABD by alternate angle test, forming Z shape, two parallel lines and one transversal, or making Z shape. This is alternate angle. So here EAB is equals to ABD by the alternate angle test. We have EAB. In EAB, we have two angles, AEF and FAB. So in the place of EAB, we can put the two angles EAF and FAB. Similarly, in angle ABD, two angles are there, ABC and CBD. So in the place of EAB, we will write EAF plus FAB. FAB, because AEB have two angles EAF and FAB. Equal as it is. In the place of ABD, we can write CBD plus CBA or ABC. So I will write ABC plus CBD or DBC, whatever you can write. We have the value of this four angle XX and YY. So in the place of this four angle, we can put up the value of these angles. EAF is X and FAB is FX. So X plus X equal Y plus Y, because the value of this angle is Y. Now X plus X we can get 2X and Y plus Y we can get 2Y. So X plus X equals to 2X plus Y equal Y plus Y equals to 2Y. So if we can remove this 2, so we can get X equals to Y. So dividing both the side by 2. If we will divide both the side by 2, 2x upon 2 equal to y upon 2. So we can get 2 cancel. We can get x equals to y. हमको मालूम, हमने प्रूव कर दिया, सॉल्व कर लिया कि x इक्वल के x हो गया y के इक्वल. So if x equals to y, so by the alternate angle test, we can write AF is parallel to BC. So in the place of x, we will put the value of one angle FAB. We can take this angle FAB. In the place of x, we will write angle FAB is equals to, in the place of y, we can write EABC. ABC. If angle FAB is equals to angle ABC, so we can write ray AF is parallel to ray BC. हमको प्रूव करना था AF पैरेलल है BC के. सो वी विल यूज़ द ऑल्टरनेट एंगल टेस्ट एंड हमने प्रूव कर दिया कि रे AF इज पैरेलल टू रे BC बाय द ऑल्टरनेट एंगल टेस्ट. होप यू पीपल कैन get this solution. Write the question, draw the diagram and write the solution step by step. Now come to the main question number 6. Come to the main question number 6. This is main question number 6. A transversal EF of line AB and line CD intersect at point P and Q. We have two lines AB and CD and EF is a transversal intersect these two lines at point P and point Q, which is given in the figure. Ray PR and ray QS, ray PR and ray QS are parallel and bisector of BPQ and PQC. In question are given ray PR and QS is parallel to each other and it is bisector also angle BPQ and angle PCQ. That means ray PR bisect angle BPQ and divides this angle into two equal part, and angle SQ is bisector of angle PQC and SQ divides this angle into two equal part. So student, we want to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. So student, we have two lines AB and CD. We want to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. In question is given EF is a transversal and intersect these two lines into 2 point P and point Q. And we have two parallel rays which is given in the question. PR and QS are parallel to each other. If we can prove this angle is equals to this angle, so this is forming Z shape, and Z shape is alternate angle and alternate angles are equal to each other. So if we will prove BPQ is congruent to angle, अगर हमने प्रूव किया कि BPQ PCQ के congruent है, so if these two angles are congruent to each other, they are alternate angle forming Z shape. So these two lines AB and CD we can write this is parallel to each other forming Z shape and one transversal. So अगर हम प्रूव करते हैं कि ये BPQ and PCQ congruent है एक दूसरे के, so we will easily prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. So come to the our solution. Ray PR is bisector of angle. Ray PR is bisector of angle BPQ. That means PR divides BPQ into two equal part, BPR and RPQ. So we will write BPR is equals to QPR. Student, equals to half of angle BPQ. Listen carefully. PR is a bisector of angle BPQ. That means PR divides these two angles, this angle into two equal parts. So we have two angle BPR and QPR which is equals to each other, and this two angle is half of angle BPQ because PR divides this two angle into two equal parts. So therefore we can write angle BPR equals to angle QPR equals to half of BPQ and take as a 1. Take as a 1. Similarly, we can come to the next bisector. Ray SQ is bisector of angle PQC. PQC, which is given in the question also. That means SQ divides PQC into two equal parts. So we can write also PQS is equals to SQC. So we will write angle PQS equals to angle CQS. Whatever you want to write it, equals to half of angle PQC. Same as it is, हमने इसको भी लिखा. We will take as a second. We have two ray. These two rays are parallel to each other and bisector also. Bisector means divides into two equal parts. So we can take BPR equals to QPR equals to half of BPQ as 1 and PQS equals to SQS equals to half equals to PQC equals to as a second. So student, if we will prove BPQ congruent to PQC, if we can prove this angle is congruent to this angle, so we can easily prove line AB is parallel to line CD, forming Z shape, or Z shape angle are alternate angles and alternate angle are congruent to each other. So we will use the alternate angle test and we will prove AB is parallel to CD. So we will write ray PR parallel to QS and PQ is a transversal. We will take ray PR is parallel to QS and PQ is a transversal, which is given in the question only. So student, if we can prove these smaller angles are equal forming Z shape, so we can easily prove that whatever we want to prove. So we will write angle PQS is equals to angle QPR. PQS equals to QPR. We have the value of PQS in first equation. PQS is equals to second equation. We have the value PQS equals to half of PQC. So first of all we will write PQS equals to QPR. QPR. In the place of PQS we will write the value. We have PQS is equals to half of PQC. So in the place of PQS we will write half of PQC from second. Using second equation, and we can write the value of PQS is equals to half of PQC, equal as it is. Similarly, by using the first equation, we can write QPR. QPR is equals to half of BPQ. Half of BPQ. If we will remove half and half both the side, so we have these two, we can got these two angles are equal. So we want to remove half from both the side. So multiplying both the side by 2, if we will multiply both the side by 2, so we can get PQC is equals to BPQ. So we will remove that half from both side. So multiplying both the side by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So we can get only PQC is equals to BPQ. जो हमको प्रूव करना था, हमने ये दोनों एंगल को प्रूव कर दिया कि ये एक दूसरे के कॉन्ग्रेंट है. So if these two angles are congruent, then the line AB and CD are parallel to each other by alternate angle test. हमको क्या प्रूव करना था? BPQ कॉन्ग्रेंट है PQC के, हमने प्रूव किया. तो if these two angles are equal to each other, then the line AB is parallel to line CD by the alternate angle test. हमको यही प्रूव करना था कि line AB parallel to line CD. So we will use the alternate angle test and we can prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. Students, here our sixth question has completed. Now in practice set 2.2 only 6 questions are there. So today we have done the all question of practice set 2.2. Hope you people can understood well. If anyone have any problem, you people have my number. Just call me. I will try to solve your problem. Write the question, draw the diagram, write the solution step by step in your fair geometry notebook. Thank you.